Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Chrysler 300 series. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler is a great value with less than 44,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power sunroof, navigation system, automatic climate control, MP3 player, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.